Hello guys and hi everyone, this is Chen here and welcome to the product Profit Contact. So this is a brand new app for WhatsApp marketing or WhatsApp autoresponder. You can say it is an WhatsApp autoresponder. So in this video I will show you the product from inside, like the front view of this product, because I don't want to scan the barcode of this product and give my WhatsApp inside this tool or inside this software. That is why I can't show you doing all of the stuffs given inside it, but I can show you the method, how this tool works, and I can show you the demo video from my page. Like you can click on the video description link to visit this page and to get the tool with my bonuses. So let me start with this product now. This product is all kind of similar like email autoresponder. Inside email autoresponder you can send your email to your list basically. So the same thing can be done inside this product very easily with your WhatsApp contact, with your WhatsApp list. Okay, basically you need to get the list, you need to have the list of people, you need to have the phone number of people, and then you can do the WhatsApp marketing. And there is one thing I can see inside this tool, like inside WhatsApp marketing, every people just get connected inside WhatsApp when they know someone, when they are related to someone basically. So inside WhatsApp marketing, like it is a very new thing, so I can't say how much that will be successful inside marketing the WhatsApp, how much will be successful, the success rate of WhatsApp marketing. But the thing is, the open rate will be very good. Like the open rate will be 90%, more than 80%, more than 90%. You can think of everyone uses their WhatsApp daily, regularly, and hourly. Okay, so that is why the open rate will be great. And if you send something very unique, very amazing, then there will be very higher chance to click on your link and get visited to your page, to your product page. And that is the thing. So you can do the broadcast stuff, like send a message immediately to your all of the contacts, and instantly. That can be done through this app. You cannot done that using WhatsApp. You have to select one by one or maximum 5 people to send the message, and you can do the similar thing. You can give the similar you can send your all of the contacts immediately using this app. That is a good thing inside this app. So you can depend on this video, like the demo video shows you everything. I don't want to scan this QR code and give my WhatsApp contacts inside this app. That is why I am not showing you. Just apologize me, like I can't do that. Okay, so I don't like to do that. And the thing is, I can give you the bonuses. That is the main purpose of making this video. And this video is good quality video, 1080p video. You can check out this video. And that is the thing I want to say, like the broadcast message and the preview of the message. You can see the preview of the message before sending the message, and all of the stuffs, like all of the WhatsApp marketing stuffs are given. And open rate will be very higher than email marketing. Email marketing might have open rate 10%, 12%, sometimes it may be 30%. That is a very lucky person who has getting this kind of open rate 30% inside email marketing. And also inside WhatsApp marketing you can think of 80-90% open rate. Then the link click rate I can't tell you, and that is the thing. So apart from that, if I want to show you the sales page of this product, like if you click on these buttons, you will be redirected to the sales page. From the sales page you can get the tool. You can see the sales page now. So this is the sales page. This is a very basic tool. You need to scan your WhatsApp and just start WhatsApp marketing. You have to have the list of the contacts to do the WhatsApp marketing. You need to have a landing page to capture the mobile numbers, WhatsApp mobile numbers, to start your WhatsApp marketing. And that is a new way of marketing, new kind of marketing, I think. So my bonuses I want to show you. So let me show you my bonuses. So for the front end product, you will be given some bonuses, and that costs $17 approximately. And for the upsell bonus, there are some bonuses like mega bonuses. Inside the front end bonuses, you will be given 30 bonuses total free from my website, and just instantly after purchasing the tool, just instantly you will be given the bonuses. And inside the upsell bonus you will be given more than 400 stuffs that will be given to you also totally free. Just purchase any of the upsells apart from the front end. After purchasing the front end, just purchase any of the upsells. That is the thing, and I have cleared you everything, I think. So I am thanking you that you have given your time. So have a good day. Thank you. Bye bye.